So it's a Monday night, and we just came from rehearsal. And usually after rehearsal, some of us go and get something to eat at the Arch. Well, again, being late. And guess what happens when it gets late?
Hey, go, man.
No, you ain't gonna do that.
Go.
Go to bed. Don't say, hey. You gotta say,
Hey, go, hey, hey.
oh, yeah.
Hey, good. What's your bad?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, good. What's your bad?
That's Pete, my drummer. At least he can keep a little rhythm.
What? Go. Go, Don. Go, Don. Go, Don.
That's his sister. Yep, I would be embarrassed too.
Yo, Pete, stop on Facebook. Stop encouraging him. Stop encouraging
Yo, that's your boy. That's your boy, man.
The guy right there with the whatever color shirt is that? That's my bass player. That's Shakespeare. I don't know these people. I don't know where they're from. And
I don't know them either.
Haitian.
I don't.
Mass. No. Choir.
okay, now I'm convinced that this dude had a bowl of sugar at that diner.
What I just saw. What you're seeing right now is us overdosing on sugar. Glucose is in our systems. Fried food, and this is the effect of fried food.
Do the shake. This is where they can eat at.
Do the shake.
Is that the cat daddy or the cat granddaddy?
One time only.
Two steps. Hey, extra step. Yes.
Oh, check out my socks.
I don't know where these people are from. I don't know. Oh, look at this. Look at this dude. Look at this dude.
No socks.
Check out the slippers.
Okay, success.
Yeah.
Need a pedicure.
That's Dean, my sound engineer. Please pray for him.
You want to dance with us, miss? Let's go, baby. Two steps, man. Two steps. Is she coming? You want to come next?
Oh no, they got somebody else. They got somebody else.
Come on.
Did she just say she's 43 and she's too old? Speak for yourself, lady.
I don't understand this. You got this lady. See?
You know us.
These are some crazy people. They no.
Real talk, yo, that's the quiet.
No. They are.
That's part of it.
This is my friend, Pastor Sander Camone. Really cool guy, really quiet, great preacher. Until he eats after midnight.
You know me? And then Pastor come on the building, chilling with Dickson, Guillaume right now. We're bugging. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning.
Pepsi.
We're recklessly dancing. Look, you see? Oh my God, no sauce.
Yeah. They overdose on Pepsi.
No.
Overdose on pancakes. No.
Yes. It's in the back. Oh, got it.
Look at.
Hey. Whoa.
That was the quiet minister right there. The quiet minister. All of a sudden he eats late. He eats late.
That's not true.
He eats late.
I'm never quiet. I am loud, my friend.
Y'all kind of sick. Oh, yeah, in trouble.
Guys, please watch this move. Watch this, watch this.
Everybody's dancing. Oh! What did he do? What did he do?
I don't know what that was, but he did something.
Do that twist.
Please rewind that. I need to see that in slow motion.
Yo, this is better than the Dougie, man.
Yo, we got Maverick, aka Maverick Raymond.
Yeah.
And oh my God, he was just dancing.
Yeah. And get what quiet he said.
No, they are.
Yes.
No.
And I'm a pastor chilling with Dickson over like 2 o'clock in the morning. Get ready, yo. YouTube that joint. Facebook that joint. You feel me?
You see, like, the more people that come, the further back Dickson goes, he might end up in the middle of the street.
Go, man.
That's teaching him how to do.
We don't know where the Oogie part is.
The Oogie, like,
You went away.
was away. But we had a great time tonight. Sometimes you have to hang out and enjoy yourselves inside of Christianity. Because if you stay stuck up and holified,
Did he just say holified?
have fun.
Who said you can't have fun in the Lord? Who said you can't have fun? I ain't gonna have fun with your choir director. Oh man. With your choir director. Who's recording it? You. I do not co-sign that, so I don't know.
I have no. That's Pastor Camo right there.
I'm a flow aimer. In the eyes of the world, I grow strangers. Seeking after the Father's clearly a no-brainer. I'm honored when the Spirit is checking for me. He saw him stressing the sea, I need him desperately. Feel me? If you a thug war, you needing his love more. Get in his word, it'll cut you deep like a buzzsaw. Jesus got all the expense. After hearing the gospel a decade ago, I was more than convinced that I needed more in my life than just
This
working.
is why schools are telling parents to get sugar out of the system. Because this is what happens.
Did he say Guillaume?
Yes, he
Call me Guillaume.
It's Guillaume, people. Guillaume, not Gulumi, Gulami, Guillaume. Guillaume.
Alright, we gotta get out of here.
And Guillaume. It's an easy soul.
Get out of here because these guys forget about it. Yeah, it's unsafe. This guy's been quiet all night. Why you very quiet? Why you quiet? Why you quiet?
Teach him how to duck.
Why you quiet?
Do a little ducky for the camera, man. Try to duck him.
Why you quiet, son? Why you quiet? Huh?
Hi, Dickson. Bon nuit. Tag me in those pics, my friend.
I'm gonna get out of here. Get up and warn on the ground. Deuces.
Life in the Lord, I can never get done leading. We spreading His fame to more than just one region. Praise to the Savior.
DicksonGuillaume.com.
So God stepped in. For Him, I get hung beast. If you tired of people dying while you stand by, give the praise to Jesus and keep your hands high.